Thanks for visiting our website. I'd like to go over some frequently asked questions about our Kason 1245 camerized hinge and our Kason 1248 spring-assisted hinge.
These are the two most common walk-in hinges in our industry today. Used on most commercial units that allows your door to self-close and open with minimal effort. The biggest difference between them is that the 1245 uses a self-lubricating nylon cam while the 1248 uses a spring mechanism for extra closing force. The process for uninstalling these hinges are fairly simple. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws off the old hinge. When installing, make sure to line up the holes with the hinge to the door and tighten the screws into place. The 1245 and the 1248 can be reversed to fit for a left or a right hinge door. To reverse a 1245 hinge, locate the white plastic cap on the top side of the hinge. Take your flathead screwdriver and wedge it underneath the cap to pop it out. Then remove the pin from the strap. Next, place the pin in the base part of the hinge assembly. Flip the hinge around to reverse it and pop the white cap back into place. When reversing the 1248 hinge, you must disassemble the strap from the base first and then remove the white cap from the strap using a screwdriver. Next, flip the strap around and connect the both pieces together until it's snug. Then pop the white cap back into place. These hinges are available in flush or offset options. A flush door is when the frame and the door line up exact. An offset door is when the door comes out further than the frame when the door is shut. When measuring the offset, use a tape measure to figure out the distance from the frame to the front of the door.
Thanks for watching our video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any additional questions, feel free to contact us.